Welcome back to Home Decor Hub. In this video we will explore some amazing and stunning ideas of wooden bathroom design. Wooden vanities and cabinets. Stage your wooden bathroom design with a wooden vanity for a reclaimed wood, vanity for a rustic feel or a sleek, modern wood finishes for a contemporary look. Wooden cabinets offer ample storage space while adding character to the bathroom. Consider open shelving to display decorative items or a storage towel. Wooden flooring. Wooden floors in the bathroom create a warm and timeless ambiance. Use sealed, hardwood or engineered wood for durability and moisture resistance. Light color wood can make a bathroom feel more spacious, while dark wood add an air of luxury. Wooden mirrors and frames. Incorporate wooden frames mirror to complement to overall design. The natural finish adds warmth and depth to the bathroom. Choose unique handcrafted wooden frames for a touch of individuality. Natural lighting. Maximize natural lights in your wooden bathroom, designed to enhance the warmth of wood. Large windows and skylight are excellent option. Consider wooden blinds or shutters for privacy and light color. Seal and maintain. Properly seal all wooden surfaces in your bathroom to protect against moisture and mold. Regular maintenance is a key to preserving the wooden beauty. Use specially formulated wood cleaners to keep your wood fixtures look their best. Color coordination. Choose a color palette that complements the wood. Earthy tones like greens, browns, and blue works well with wooden bathroom design. Add pop-ups of colors through accessories and textile for a balanced look.